Are you in Tamenglong or from Tamenglong or planning to visit Tamenglong or wanting to know more about Tamenglong? This video goes out to you. I am here to talk to you about a wonderful cozy resort in Tamenglong, which is located in Maryland, Tamenglong, called a Hilltowninn. So let me give you a glimpse of what's inside a hilltowninn. What are the services they provide? What can you do out there? And so please enjoy the video.
A beautiful cozy inn with a lot of open area, nestled on top of hillock with the most amazing views on the laps of nature. Just a 15 to 20 minutes drive from the main town area. The view of the whole town perched on the top of the mountain ranges, and on the west is the view of the Barak River can be seen. One can enjoy the most amazing sunrise and sunset with the cold wind brushing against your cheeks. And nearby spots to visit from Hilltowninn are Tamenglong Rangon, Tamenglong Cave, Farmland Cave, Duipao Waterfall. Things you can do. Kitchen facilities will be available for you to cook your own food, or you can order a home-cooked food. Book a cozy room with friends and family for a chill-out evening, watch a beautiful sunset, play some fun games, and enjoy a barbecue night later by the fire under a starry skies. Who doesn't like that? Rent out the whole outdoor space for a picnic day or any event, either birthday party, anniversaries, bachelorette, bridal shower, career counseling, etc. Recently, they have also added another features, that is a banquet hall and a mini library. Amenities and services available are electricity, smart TV, clean drinking water, hot water for shower, kitchen LPG gas stove and firewood and utensils, hygienic Indian toilet and Western toilet with attached bathroom, privacy, home-cooked food on order. Yes, this is the resort which hosts a recent Spring Flea Market Festival, co-sponsored by Mr. Akinsin Gangmai, Honorable MP, nominee and social worker. Spring Flea Market Festival is a festival of food, music, art and craft, fun and chill zone, extra local crafts, and a lot of discount and special prices.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.